In what area has Boostr made the most significant impact on your day-to-day operations or your team's success?
Yeah, I mean, in so many areas, but from my side, the whole ad ops team loves the fact that all the targeting's already pushed, the campaign's already set up. We used to have to manually do all of that, and then a lot of automation is occurring where optimization templates are pushed through and set up, and the only manual labor right now is tagging and adding creative, and that is freed up a lot of time for the team. So it's been a huge help.
If you were to recommend Boostr to peer facing similar challenges, what's the one most compelling reason you would give them?
I definitely would say the service. I mean, you've been a great partner, a true partner since the beginning, and you listen to our concerns, but you also are constantly evolving your products, not just for my company, but for all of your clients. And I mean, you're definitely a leader in the space, but the service has been impeccable.